Everyone, thank you so much for your love and support of watching my channel, for supporting my channel, and thank you so much guys for watching my Wonders of Palawan. And I assure you guys there's a lot of wonders to share more and more, so keep tuning my channel, Kuya Ron and the Island. If you are watching, guys, that you still not a subscriber and you love my videos, please, I'm asking your favor to please subscribe, hit that red subscribe button, and tap the bell icon so if I had a new video, you are the one first to be notified. So thank you so much. Today is February month love celebration, and Kuya Ron decided to make a special video for my family. And we took this in a Acacia tunnel. We call this Acacia tunnel. This is a main road highway, but the scenery is fantastic. It is full of acacia surrounded, and that's why it's called Acacia tunnel, because step by step there's a lot of acacia side by side making into a natural tunnel. That's what they call Acacia tunnel. And we went also to a resort. They call this Palawan swing, and it's really a nice place and very romantic. And I hope you guys enjoy my video of sharing you for the first time. You will see my family's bonding and sharing this February Love Month celebration, and Kuya Ron in the Islands is taking you there to the joy of love. Before anything else, guys, I would like to special shout out to Mr. Mikey Sachs and Jonny Houlihan for using their music as my background. Please, guys, subscribe and follow their YouTube channel, Mikey Sachs, and also Sir Jonny Houlihan. Thank you so much. You can follow their YouTube channel and please subscribe also. And guys, without further ado, here is for the first time our February Feb Love month celebrations of my family, and I hope you enjoy who you are, whatever you are, single, in love, complicated, or happily married, or ready to mingle. I hope you enjoy watching my videos. Here is for the first time Kuya Ron in the Islands Feb Love celebration.
like a gentle hug on a hard day. The soft touch that takes it all away. And when we kiss, it puts my mind at ease. Feels like home to me. You're like a long walk on a summer night, holding hands underneath the moonlight. And in that moment, I find my sense of peace. Feels like home to me. Yeah. Feels like home. Right next to you is where I belong. Safe and warm, wrapped up in your arms, holding tight, just right. Well, there's no place on earth I wanna be. Here with you feels like home to me. I'm gonna plant my heart, put down some roots, and watch it grow. Girl, gonna see us through, 'cause I found the one I never wanna leave, and she feels like home to me. Yeah, feels like home. Right next to you is where I belong. Safe and warm, wrapped up no place on earth I wanna be. Holding tight, just right. Well, there's no place on earth I wanna be. Here with you feels like home to me. Feels like home. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Wonders of Palawan to see on my son. Oh. And I show you guys the shut up. Everyone, thank you so much for supporting my channel, Kuya Ron in the Island. And I'm sure you guys take 5. Take 5. More wonders of Palawan to see. Oh, what? There's the,